Hello my dear viewers, this is your host Rakesh Kumar. In the previous video we had discussed a flag pattern. Now this is a continuation pattern and it forms in an uptrend and a downtrend as well. For this we need a sudden move in the trend, and after that whatever is the period of consolidation, it generally tends to be in the formation of a flag. We have discussed it already in the previous video. In this video we will see some examples of the flags in the live market. My request to you is that if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you can subscribe to it now. It will give you notifications of the latest video uploads, and if you find this video useful for you, then please consider pressing the like button which is there below the video. But before we begin, let us have a look at the risk disclaimer. It states that the futures, stocks and the options trading involve substantial amount of risk. Your capital is at risk, the losses can exceed the investment. The information is provided as is, and the user of the information assumes the entire risk of any use it may make or permit to be made. So let's get started. Okay friends, without wasting much time, I just want to cover a few aspects of the flag first before you can identify where is the flag in this chart. Now friends, in this chart, which is Australian dollar versus US dollar 1-day chart, there is a flag hidden in this chart. If you have seen carefully the previous video, then you will be able to identify that, and if you have not seen it, you can watch it again and you will definitely be able to identify it. But for the ease of access, I will try to locate that flag for you. You see, the first requirement for the flag is trend, and this trend should be sharp trend, or you can say not sharp trend but sharp move. Okay, now this sharp move, we will try to locate. The price from here to here went very sharply. Can you see? It went very sharply within very less span of time. It took only 24 candles to give a move of approximately 760 points. So this is called a sudden sharp move. Okay, this is our first requirement. Now the second requirement of a flag is pole. So this is simple because we consider the sharp move, the starting of the sharp move and the end of sharp move as a flag pole. So this is our flag's pole. Okay, if you keep it straight, then this height is the flag pole. Okay, this height is the flag. Now this here, this area of consolidation, is called the flag. Yes, this area where the price consolidates between a channel but which is in counter trend. See, the trend is down but the channel is trending upwards. This is called a flag. Okay friends, this is called a flag, and after the flag is formed, we need a breakout in the direction of the flag, in the direction of the sharp move. So the price moves below this channel here and closes the day below. So that was our indication, first hint that the trend is now going to continue. Okay, you could have sold here with a small stop loss higher than this high, and what would have been your target? Well friends, the flag pole is equal, the pole of the flag is the target also from the point of the break. So this was your approximate target. Okay friends, which was achieved somewhere on 23rd of January after a break from 3rd of November. So it was a long-term trade because it is, or a mid-term trade because it was a daily chart. But this type of formation you can see in hourly charts, 4-hourly charts, even 30-minute and 15-minute charts also. So now you got it. The first thing was a sharp move, then there was some consolidation, then there was a breakout in the direction of the trend. Of course you can wait for the retest, but this retest sometimes does not happen at all. Okay, and if you wait for the retest, you can go higher and higher, and your breakout, your stop loss will even go higher and higher. Yes, you can wait for the retest, but then you will have a fear of missing out because the move is very sharp in the direction of the trend most of the times. Okay, even if you even if you short sell here, then also you will get your targets. Of course your risk to rewards will be increased, and I'm in the favor of the more conservative trade where you sell at the retest only, and the target is equal to the first move's height, the height of the first move, which is equal to the pole of the flag, which is this one. This is also known as the staff of the flag or pole of the flag. Okay, it is one and the same thing. So that's for the Australian dollar. The next example I have is in pound. It is Great Britain pound versus the US dollar. You see, now in this one I have already mentioned where is the flag, so you have to tell me where is the pole. And it is very simple. The sudden move started from here, so this is the height of the pole, and then it started making a flag. The flag broke here on 3rd of December, and it is very easy to identify. Okay, it is very easy to identify. After sudden move there is a flag formation, after that there is a break, and the height of the pole is approximate height of the target. It is very simple. Okay, let us see if we can find some more flag pattern in any of the stocks. Now this is ASML. I don't even know which stock it is, but we will just see. After sudden move, we are saying that there is a formation of a channel. Actually there are so many gap ups and gap downs in this chart. We need to find some. Okay, ABB is a stock which is much traded stock. I think there will be less gaps in this one. Let us see if we can find some. Is there anything in this chart at all? Okay, here is. Okay, here you can find one. You see, this is sudden movement, then there is a channel. This is a typical example of a flag formation. From here started the up move, then the price started to go in a channel, then here it broke. Yes, I'll switch it to 4 hourly and it will be beautiful, I think. See now. But there are a lot of breaks in between. Okay, I think I have to go to some other place only. Okay, Euro JPY we will see, because the currencies have very insufficient data. Okay, this is yes, this is Euro JPY. You can see here there was a sudden move upwards, then there was a channel, and then there was a break, and it all started. My intention to tell you is that, okay, one more thing which I wanted to highlight here is that the flags are not made for a very long time. Flags are very short-lived patterns. Okay, the pole may be long, but it also will be short-lived. My intention to tell you here is that the pole is formed in a very less span of time. You see, this pole formed from 13th November to 15th November in 4 hours, and the flag lived only for 1 day, 2 days. Okay, from here till here. You see here, this was the flag pole and this was the flag. the height of the pole is to be added at the breaking point to achieve the targets. Actually, the move had started from here. So breaking point will be here. So this is a classic textbook example, I must say, that you have achieved your targets in a very less time. So you can say, yes, when you are trying to enter into a bullish or a bearish trend, then you tend to have very strong moves, because there was a strong move after a small flag, then there was a brisk move again, and you got your targets very soon. Now let us try to find an example in a downtrend. Do you see here a brisk move? There was a brisk move, then there was some consolidation, then there was a break. Friends, can you identify the flag here? Well, yes, this is the, okay, you can include this high also, but I will say that refrain to this place. So there was a flag, then there was a channel, because the price never closed. Okay, you want to include this one also, you can include this one also, because it is in line with this low here. And then price eventually break through and then came in for a retest and then went to get its targets in the downtrend. So friends, this pattern is worth keeping in your trading arsenal to get you good results in the market. Well, that's all for the examples with the flags. We will come in the next video and we will tell you about another brother or sister of the flags, which is known as pennants, and we'll see how to trade the pennants in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this.